Hi guys, welcome to my channel which is Versatile Crew. Today I'm gonna show you a brand new product from Amazon Fire Stick. This is a third generation product. This is an interesting product in terms of pricing. Usually the price of this product is 4000 rupees. But during a deal I just bought this product at 3199 only. Here you can see the box. It is very small in size. What's included? Amazon Fire TV Stick 3rd generation, Alexa voice control, AAA batteries, power adapter, USB cable, HDMI extender cable. Before I get into the review and other stuff, let's have a closer look what do we actually get inside the box. So, Fire TV Stick, this is user manual. USB cable, and here and this is charger. So combination of this two AAA's battery, HDMI extender, this is remote. You can see that remote. I open that on the it looks different. You can see that I have another remote, and you can compare these remotes. This is previous one. Actually I have been using this device for 6 months. You can easily see now remote has some dedicated keys like Prime Videos and Netflix. Okay, here's the actual Fire TV stick that looks like a USB stick. Guys, do note that your TV needs a HDMI port because the Fire TV uses HDMI to connect to your television. Regarding connectivity to the internet, it connects over to Wi-Fi and it supports both the bands 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Okay guys, now it's time to a quick demo of this product. Give me few minutes to start it properly. Okay guys, the device is started. First you can see the user interface, which very smooth and comfortable. As you can see, there has various options like home, find, live, and in home button it has various categories. We can install various apps which we want to get, and we can we can go to the setting and see the all apps in this option. 4.4 GB of 5.35 GB available. It has 1 GB RAM. Network setting, 5G connected. You can connect your 4G network. Here is display and sound options where you connect your Bluetooth devices. It also provides a screencast feature. Guys, most important thing is that you can install third party apps like Top apps and various third party apps. So I highly recommend this product who wants to get it. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.